Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the location of the third elf as well as what it needs. So you're going to buy the peppermint boba tea, and I'm just going to go to the ice skating rink. Oops, sorry. Can't drive properly in this game. But you'll be able to find it in one of the wreaths, I don't know how to pronounce that. Wreaths, like one of the circles on top. And just go here, somewhere on, not that one. Is that this one? Honestly, I'm trying to remember where it is. Oh, there it is. It's on this wreath here, over here on the top. Just go up and look up and then press give, and that is pretty much it. Remember, you'll need the peppermint boba tea from the Christmas plot, winter plot. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!